Hello everyone, let's start the step-by-step tutorial of PHP. In a PHP document you can use HTML, CSS, JavaScript and the PHP itself. You can start using HTML and put PHP in the middle. To start a PHP you need to put the little sign, question mark, PHP, question mark and the little sign. If you are only using PHP on a document, you don't need to close it. To show, watch the last video of course. You need to understand that you need the Apache and MySQL to work with it properly. The MySQL, it's only for databases, but you will use a lot in PHP. So just install it. Then we are going to start the echo and print, just the same thing. Hello. Here you cannot use the go live, you need to overload yourself. Then print, you can put it up. You can put the H big. You can put the echo. That's better. Print echo, same thing. Can be. It is not case sensitive. We can or not use the parentheses, the brackets. For text, you need to use the double quotes. Then for variables, name. Let's create a variable called name. It will carry the name. To start a variable, you need to use the $sign and you put hello. Someone call hello. Come on, John. Semicolon. Don't forget it. Then you want to create a phrase, a sentence. Echo. His name is. Then you should concatenate something with a comma or a dot with the name of the variable, and here you go. That's one. John. Double quoted string. Yes. Equals. You need to say that the name is equals to John. Then you can put a dot or a colon. More variables are case sensitive, so you put the n big, the upper n, and it will not work, of course. After, you also want to select the thing. Yes, very good. The type of values. You can have a number, and you can have a hello in here. It's called number. You can even put int. That it will not work like that. Let me show you. The equals, don't forget. Okay, here, hello. And int, it's hello, because in PHP we don't put data values. Data types, sorry, we don't put data types. Then, let's go, what we do now. Let's make counts. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. C is equal to A plus B. Then you put print C. 30, yes. The less will make less 10, yes. The multiply will make 200. The dividing will make 0.5. half. Then you put the rest. The rest will say the rest. If you have 10 and give it 20, the rest will be 10 in a count. It is most used to classify rounds. If you put 5, 10 for 5, you'll have a rest of 0 because you can give 2 of the 2 for each one of those 5. But if you put 11, it will not be 0. If it's different from 0, it will not be pair, so you can use it like that. Of course, don't forget, as I said in the beginning of the video, go check the last video. It's very important for this video. Check this video that's showing around there as well, because it's very important to you as well. It's everything important. So, thank you guys and hope you guys enjoyed.